clamp thief.
Yeah.
Thief.
What you got? 2-way mid-range machine. Yeah, you just trip making that good. I ain't even gonna lie to you. Like a bit, man. Can't even goddamn. The fuck the shoot is on the team. We're gonna spark that hoe. Okay, Dan. You know what they call me a Climpy, right? For right?
I don't know why.
They be locking shit up. Shit like that. You can't be doing shit like that.
That was no fault of yours, my nigga. You ain't shit. It's crazy. I thought your ass gonna be spamming.
I ain't gonna spam you now. I ain't gonna do all that. I just play lockdown. That's it.
Let's see, nigga.
I
Stick
just got
thief.
on there, hoe.
Thief, man, nigga. Yeah, shit up, nigga. Move, my nigga. Shit.
Damn, they got a double team me like that.
That was not no
They
double
got
team, brother.
nigga came in the paint.
What y'all doing? Fuck you, bitch. I see you on the wing, bro.
Yo. Oh, slide it down.
I see you on the wing, bro. You need Big Brother to come save you. I feel it.
But
Yeah, shit.
I ain't even warm
shit.
up. I just hopped on there, hoe.
I'm gonna teach y'all niggas how to ball.
Ain't not supposed to be saying that.
Get that shit, Lamb.
This shit fake, bro.
What the fuck? I thought he hit that hoe.
Hey, I'm on. That's so crazy.
Good rebound. Damn, all y'all that came to the point. That's crazy.
Bro, fuck. That's a bucky. That's a motherfucking bucky. Nigga ain't clamp thief, dog. I ain't gonna lie. Yup, should we pass it?
Ain't no guard, nigga. The guard right there with the purple hair.
It's a white dribble.
Hit the dribble, goddamn.
What you dribbling? Like, you feel me,
Hit the
bro?
dribble.
Like, making up excuses.
Don't know what excuse it for. You see what
I
my
mean, like,
build
you
is.
said, I ain't the guard. Like, I'm supposed to mean something. You still trying to get a bucket, ain't it? Still feel like you
I
can
can
dribble
get
and get a bucket, ain't it?
it. Yeah, I get a butt when I need one.
Shit get all wrong. Man.
Good shot, boy.
Twos,
Thanks,
bro,
Sarge.
twos. Touch that.
Damn.
Damn. Feel it. It was itching.
Good shit.
It's itching, bro. Thanks, brother.
Alright, now I'm back. Hold on, my bad. Shit. Shoot that. Good shot.
Green.
Alright, this way a nigga takes a two, then he can kill for three, fam.
Bruh.
He got take. He got to hit them.
Need your help, bro.
Ah,
Gotta bail him out, my nigga.
he got it.
Boy's crazy.
Shit.
Better foul, nigga.
Hell nah.
That's just tough. You gonna give up? Give up. Cool. Ain't cool at all. What that nigga say? You know why I call me clamp thief, right? Hey, nah, that nigga funny, dog. Know why they call me clamp thief, right?